Hey everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited to speak to Kapil who is from Mumbai and he's part of entertainment industry. He's part of travel and tourism. And Kapil joined the advanced healing program, I think couple of months back, and he has some amazing stories to share. So over to you, Kapil. Uh,
Hi,
how
ma'am. How are you?
all good, Kapil? How are you doing?
Firstly, thank you so much to get me to your channel, and I'm really blessed and grateful to have you as my mentor. I'm really thankful. I I think I joined you in the month of October, end of November, mid-November or something like that.
Yes.
And seriously, before joining, I did not know anything about this prayer. Learned a lot from you, and when I started doing this Ho'oponopono, I started feeling lighter,
Mm-hmm.
happy, things started getting changed. And I'm seriously one thing which I'm grateful to you that you allowed my wife also to be a part of that group. You made her join the group without even asking that she wants to be a part or what are the charges, nothing. I'm so thankful for you for that. After listening to your prayers, her mind has changed. She got
Okay.
more focused on her things. And
Awesome.
both were stuck, to be very honest.
Yes.
But this prayer has helped us so much by doing morning, evening, and the advanced healing on your app, which has been downloaded on our phone. And it
Yeah.
helped. We saw all the videos, advanced healing in terms of health, wealth, career, everything. It was really amazing. And I did it non-stop. And when I
I
did
know.
it non-stop, it was just amazing. Things started to change. It was going slow, but it started to change. What I wanted
Yes.
to do from a period of 8 to 9 months, that happened within, I think I spoke to you. There were some obstructions happening. We had a chat on WhatsApp messages and all that. My
Yes.
things were so close, and I spoke to you. You gave me the idea to do the prayers at least 2 times, 3 times, or whatever. I started doing them, and things changed. Um,
Correct.
from my heart, I would have only one thing to say. I'm really grateful to you. That prayer has really helped me with your magic of that advanced healing and everything, EFT and all that. Seriously turned things for me. And a feedback that helped, what I can say is, I am out of 90% of my debt in a period of 15 days from the time I joined your course. It just
Awesome.
turned.
Yes. And I know, Kapil, that was a big amount, and you were very much worried about it. And I know things like that when we face in our life, it blocks us completely, and we are not sure what to do. But I am so blessed to share this prayer with you. And more than that, what I liked about you is you and your wife both are like, you were so determined to do it every single day. Like I say this to many of my students, but because you practiced it at least 2 to 3 times a day and you believed in the prayer, right? And you had faith that, okay, something is going to change. And that's why the thing started changing miraculously. And that's what you mentioned. October end you joined. And I think before we entered into 2024, December is when you gave me the good news that I'm feeling so awesome that things have started
Yeah,
changing
yeah,
and it was a
yeah,
big
yeah.
burden.
Correct.
Yes.
So, what was happened, which what got stuck that I because of that debt thing which I had, I couldn't focus on my work, nothing. It was just that okay, I have to pay so much. I have to pay so much. That just
Yes.
got out after that prayers. That just got out. Let's see what happened. I mean, I felt light. I felt good. Started feeling healthy. I stopped drinking. To be very honest, and the
Awesome.
prayer which allowed me to focus on myself after that. And I'm today, if anything goes wrong in my mind or something like that, I just listen to that prayer. Obviously, I do some other spiritual things also,
Yes. Yes.
but yeah, first thing it comes on when I start walking in the morning, comes to my earphones is that prayer, and in the nature, it gives amazing results.
Great, great.
Seriously. And today we are on 19th Jan, first month of the year. I am sitting so light. Out of 100%, I would say my 90% debt is clear. 10% everybody has, small and here and
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
That's a part of your life. You have to live with it. If you want some luxury, you would have to spend 10%. So I'm happy to pay that luxury for my kids right now. So yeah, and I mean, one week back before your inner circle, when we did that inner circle, I think last Monday. So I had planned something in my mind, and we tried to do it, and there were no ways coming. Okay, that will happen, 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 happen. But again, today somebody called and said, "We are trying to do it. Don't worry."
Wow. So things started moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
So
you are in alignment now, and you are able to, take control of your frequency. Because when these situations happen in our life, what we tend to do is we get into a negative zone and we start thinking the negative outcomes instead of focusing on what best we can do in the situation. And
hmm,
great to listen that you are able to control your frequency. You start your day with the prayer and leave everything to the universe. So these are very
yeah,
good things which you are able to follow. So thank you so much for sharing.
no problem. And I'll be seriously in this video. I'm really grateful to two people in my life. Actually, I can say four people. One is my wife, my brother, my brother's wife, and you. They have turned my life. They have stood by me. I know you from maybe October end or November
Yes.
starting, but that hope you bought in me has changed my life in 1.5, 2 months. It's just changed. Your videos made me believe in myself again.
Thank you for sharing that,
So
Kapil.
this
This is
is
the power of this prayer, which I just want to spread to as many as people, that it's there's no point in worrying about things for months and months and years. It's so simple to take control of things by just chanting this magical prayer and just surrendering to universe. So thank you so
yeah.
much, Kapil, for sharing
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
heartfelt feedback. It really means a lot to me.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to you. To come, I don't know from where, but yeah, you say know that uh, when you're connected, you
Yes.
get connected to good people, and you uh, get the vibe from them and start getting into results. So I don't know. I was just scrolling on Insta and I saw your post, and I don't know. I mean, today right now, social media has such anybody can post anything, but I don't know. I had that feel that I should join this, and when I joined, I got that feel, I got that vibe, I got my results. I'm happy. I'm so grateful. Seriously, joining my hand. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kapil. So yeah, I mean, I think it's just the God's plan. I'm just the mediator in helping things, because I know the pain of being there for a long time. So uh, it's my moral responsibility to spread this prayer to so many people, so that all of us can get benefited and find a healer inside us. Because I mean,
Yes,
this prayer,
yes,
it is like we don't have to depend on any other person or any other thing. It's just that we can work on ourselves, we can take control of our own thoughts or our own feelings, and then drive the results in that direction. So thank you so
correct.
much, Kapil. More power to
Thank you,
you.
ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.